Hey friends, today's Valentine's Day. In addition to candy and flowers, you can do something unconventional for your partner this year. Teach them how to exercise. Now, this is a gift that's going to last a lot longer than chocolate. Let's learn how to do squat no matter where you're at safely. The width of your squat stance will depend on your particular body type and comfort level. As a general rule, I recommend to start with the stance a bit wider than shoulder width apart, feet rotated slightly out, and go from there. When squatting, it is important for your entire foot to maintain contact with the ground at all times. If you find yourself lifting your heels or toes off the ground, make this correction first. A big mistake is to move your knees inside. This misalignment places a great stress on your knee joint, thus increasing the chance of injury. Think of your knees being attached to your feet with an invisible rope. Your feet will always dictate the proper alignment of your knees. Wherever your feet will go, your knees will follow. Generally, it helps to think of aligning your knee to the second and third toe of your foot while you are squatting. Regular body weight squats should begin with the movement of our hips. The backward movement of your pelvis will activate the proper muscle groups in your body in order to execute squat effectively. I like the analogy of sitting back on a chair. Just remember that you should control your body weight throughout the entire sequence of this movement. Establishing a neutral spine is critical in order to protect your back and avoid overcompensation with your joints. Neutral spine is an imaginary line starting at your hip which will continue through your shoulder and finish at your ear. Make every attempt to maintain this alignment the entire time. If you feel yourself losing this posture, take a break to recover or reduce number of reps. Remember, quality always beats quantity. I recommend to counteract the downward movement of the torso with the upward movement of arms and shoulders. This sequence will create a cohesive movement that will feel like a beautiful music. Find a designated point on the ground that would allow your head to follow the neutral angle of your spine while you are looking at this point. Maintain an eye contact with this point until you establish this movement pattern. This will help to assume a position without creating additional strain on your neck. Thank you for watching this video. I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts, so please leave me a comment below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with others. Until the next time, be well and never stop learning, my friends.